A beautiful reminder that everything in life unfolds.
Where is Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam? Where is it? Which language is it? Okay. So, where is Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam in English? Wow. Okay. It's everywhere. Okay. So the ones who know Telugu, where is Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam in Telugu? Okay. So don't know. Okay. So we already have started. Sorry to announce it again. Okay. So we have found Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam in different languages: English, Telugu, Hindi. So it's not on the words. It's everywhere. Where is it? Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam is everywhere. Everywhere means only inside the home? No. Everywhere. Everywhere it is there. So let us realize that we are all here in the Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam theme conference. So while walking out, we all should carry the essence of Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam. Yes or no? Yeah? So in order to keep you in mood or what you have to carry while you are going back home. So మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకెళ్ళాలండి? బ్రహ్మ కృపా హి కేవలం అనేటటువంటిది మీకు ఈ లైఫ్లో ఎలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, మీకు అది ఏం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది, లైఫ్ని ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తుంది. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ డ్యూయల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. సారీ ఫర్ దట్. So you all have to carry what is Brahma Kripa Hi Kevalam in your life. Okay. So where we can find the Parabrahma's grace? Everywhere, isn't it? So in order to realize that, we have given you some handouts in your bag. This small handout. Can you all see here? This one here? Yes. Please take it out. It's not even a grain of sand in the sea. The blood, because it is different for different individuals. So let us all take this activity. Quickly read it for a minute. And then we will continue the activity. Which you all, I will read you as well. So blessings of Parabrahma in day-to-day life.
Om Vishwani Deva Savitra Duritani Parasuva Yed Bhadram Tanna Asuva. I am Subhashini from Hyderabad Deccan Brahma Samaj. I am a motivational speaker and currently working in an IIT firm. With great joy, I invite all the esteemed delegates to be a part of this 2-day 134th All India Brahmo Conference from across the country. May these 2 days be filled with enlightening discussions and the collective pursuit of truth and harmony. We look forward to your gracious presence and active participation throughout the sessions. I now invite Honorable Governor Sri Jishnudev Verma to come on to the dais. Sri Jishnudev Verma is a distinguished politician from Tripura and served as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Tripura. He was a prominent member of the North Eastern Council Advisory Committee from 1989 to 1993. He embarked on his political journey with the Bharatiya Janata Party in 1993 and was elected as a National Council member representing Tripura. He held the position of General Secretary overseeing organizational matters from the Tripura Pradesh BJP. In his own words, his philosophy of life is an opportunity to offer a healing touch to those living on the margins. I now invite you of Hyderabad Deccan Brahma in the sanctity of these sacred hymns.
सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ वेदो वेदवेदाङ्गो निम्ने पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्वि
ब्रह्मा सन्नामरूपविवर्जितं ऋतं सत्यं परब्रह्मा ईश्वरं लोकपालकम्। A very good morning to everyone present here. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all to this inaugural session of 134th All India Brahma Conference here in this beautiful city of Hyderabad. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Jishnudev Verma sir, for graciously accepting our invitation and blessing this occasion as the chief guest. Thank you very much, sir. We are very deeply honored by your presence. I also take this opportunity to express our sincere thanks to all the dignitaries onto the dais. Thank you very much, everyone. Finally, a warm welcome to the all distinguished delegates and members who have travelled all along across the country on behalf of Hyderabad Deccan Brahma Samaj. On behalf of the organizing committee, we are deeply honored to host this conference. This year, 2025, is a moment of great pride to us. The Hyderabad Deccan Brahma Samaj has completed 100 glorious years, and it is a matter of immense joy that our centenary celebrations coincide with the 134th All India Brahma Conference. The theme of this conference is Brahma Kripahi Kevalam, meaning everything happens only by the grace of Parabrahma, the one and only Supreme God. In this vast universe, not even a single moment moves without His will. As organizers, we firmly believe that without His blessings, we could not have brought this conference to life. Through this platform, we wish to remind ourselves and to all of you here to recognize the blessings we receive every day, knowingly and unknowingly, and to remain grateful in thought, action, always acknowledging them by saying Brahma Kripahi Kevalam. On behalf of the reception committee, I would like to share a few brief announcements for the smooth conduct of this conference. For easy identification, we all organizers here are wearing these green badges, and all the registered delegates are wearing blue badges. If you require any assistance, information or support, please feel free to approach any of the organizers. Special arrangements have been made for food, keeping in mind the diverse cultures and preferences of the delegates who have attended from the different parts of the country. To ensure smooth progress of the program, we humbly request everyone to return to the auditorium hall after every break on time. We also request all the members to avoid crowding in the entrance areas. Kindly keep your mobile phones on silent mode during the sessions to avoid disturbances. To all respected speakers, panelists and moderators, please note that a timing system has been placed at the podium. A gentle buzzer will indicate when the allotted time is nearing completion. Once again, on behalf of organizing committee, I thank each and every delegate, speaker and dignitary for giving us this opportunity 134th All India Brahmo Conference, Brahma Kripa hi Kevalam.